Tired of your favorite Android apps not playing nice with your Apple TV? Today, we're unlocking the secret to streaming anything from your Android device to your Apple TV, no matter what. First up, let's talk about third-party apps. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for apps like AirScreen or AirPlay DLNA. Receiver these act as bridges, allowing your Apple TV to recognize your Android device as a compatible source. Download and install your chosen app. Once installed, open the app on your Android phone. You'll likely need to grant it some permissions. So follow the on-screen instructions. Carefully pay close attention to any notifications the app sends. Now, switch over to your Apple TV. You might need to search for the corresponding app in the Apple TV App Store and download it directly onto your Apple TV as well. Time for the magic. On your Android device, go to your settings and find the screen mirroring or cast option. It might be named differently depending on the brand. A list of available devices will show up. Select your Apple TV from the list. And there you have it. Your Android screen should now be mirrored on your Apple TV. You can now enjoy your favorite Android games, apps, and videos on the big screen. Experiment with different apps and screen mirroring options to find what works best for you now. Go forth and conquer cross-device compatibility. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips.